guys what I got from Brown Thomas. Is it luxury makeup? Don't mind how my hair is looking. Not too much now. Not too much. But I'm going to show you guys what I bought from Brown Thomas. My first time getting luxury makeup. Swiping my card, I said, tapping my phone, I said, hey, it's the money coming out my bank account. But it's for the greater good because my makeup is going to be looking good. But I was just like, oh, I was a bit flabbergasted, you know, when I swiped my card. When I tapped my phone and I saw the notification that I said, because I'm used to buying makeup that's like €20, €15. But you know what? It's for the greater good. I'll show you guys. Brown Thomas, I got Teasy baby. Because my friend got me this for my birthday. And it was too good. It works. I'm so sorry. It works. Because I remember going out one time and guys, the heat in that place was heating, but my makeup did not move. It only started moving like later on the day, but it did not move. That is because I sprayed, and mine is almost finished, the one that I actually got for as a present. That's because I sprayed layers upon layers, and it's good. So I was like, I'm getting this. And then when I went to England, this is Laura Mercier powder. When I went to England, obviously, went with my friends, and obviously, girls, when we were together, we'd be sharing makeup and whatever, and I was like, okay, I was trying different types of powders. I tried the Huda Beauty. I don't really like the Huda Beauty, but this one, if you go into my UK vlog, and you saw my makeup, you see my makeup 8. It's because of this. Okay, why is it not coming out? You will see my makeup 8, and it's because of this. I'm telling you. I really am telling you. I'm telling you. Why is it not coming out? I'm telling you, it's because of this. That's why my makeup 8. Like this. Translucent honey. Period. Looks like this, like so, like it. I hope I didn't buy the wrong one because it just looks like a different packaging. This is how it looks like. It looks like, I know, but obviously, you know, we like doing the bright under eye. And now, I also got this for free or whatever. Now my makeup is gonna be looking too good. You cannot tell me nothing. I can't wait to be doing my makeup, but I can't wait to be using this makeup. Like, I know this is gonna last me years, okay? Because the powder that I have, I bought it years ago, and it's gonna last me years. So I'm so excited. I'm giving makeup on fleek. I'm actually so excited to actually put on this makeup. Like, I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't wait. Like, I just can't wait. I just cannot wait. Cannot wait. I just cannot wait. Cannot wait. I just cannot wait. And okay, that's enough now. You get the gist. I just am excited. I'm excited. Oh, yeah. Anyway, bye guys. Thanks for watching my vlogs. Thanks for enjoying them. Laura Mercier sponsor me. Teasy sponsor me. Brown Thomas sponsor me. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Like, I just look so, yeah. My lashes are just, yeah. My hair is just, yeah. Everything is just, yeah. The only thing that's giving is skin. But anyway, this is a maintenance vlog where I will be getting my hair done finally. Like, I'm so sick of, you can't even see the line anymore. Because I haven't even, like, just so sick and tired of, I'll be getting my nails done because I'm not allowed to get my nails done in my course. So finally, I'm going to get my nails done. I will be getting my lashes done. Guys, I cannot wait. I will do my eyebrows and just shape them, hair, lashes, and nails. Yeah, everybody stay tuned, okay? Stay tuned, because this lashes is giving, it's giving, one eye is bigger than the other. It just makes my face look so not proportionate. But yeah, I can't wait. Like, I'm so done. I cannot wait. This is basically maintenance vlog for my birthday. Guys, this is the first time I'm actually celebrating my birthday in years. Years, okay? Years. Oh my gosh, I actually just look so crusty. What the heck? In years. But yeah, so first I need to buy hair conditioner, hair shampoo, and I'll be taking out my hair today. Finally, like, I'm tired of this hair. We turning, you're 20? Yes, I'm 20. Can't believe this. But anyway, bye guys. And now we are on to the African shop, because the African shop has the best, and I mean the best, lip liner. If you're trying to save some bucks and not trying to spend expensive money on lip liner, the African store has the best lip liner. I'm not even joking with ya. So yeah, let's go there.
Had to bounce back about 2 to 3 times. Dealing with your ass got me working overtime. Got me some slack, I've been losing my mind. No, I'm not fine, you be killing my vibe. Got me down bad, I had to learn the hard way. Say you want me, then keep playing this game. I'ma need you to start counting your days. No, you can't stay, get up out of my way. Can't believe I thought you were the one. All the flags waving red from the start. Now I know.
Guys, every single time I come to the store, it literally always eats my money. Like, every single time. This store is my favorite store of all time. Always eating my money. Like, sugar. But I just wanted to show you guys, my hair reverted back, okay? Like, I did not get any heat damage. Period, bro. I straightened my hair once a week, okay, and washed my hair every month. Once a week, every Sunday, I'll straighten my hair, and if it gets frizzy, I'll just tie it up and put it in a claw clip. But then, if I want it to be looking good, like, I did so many things with this hair, chat. If it starts raining, or I saw it started raining, I'll tie my hair up so it doesn't get frizzy. And then if it was raining, I wouldn't leave my hair out. I would make sure that it's in a claw clip. And I would straighten my hair only once a week. And what else did I do? And I would wash my hair every week, because it would get like, just not nice. But wow, guys, I did a leave out. I finally did a leave out. Would I do it again? Of course I would. Would I do it in the winter here in Ireland? No, because, oh no. But I can't believe my hair actually reverted back. And guys, I also cut my thingy, my hair, by mistake. I don't know if I can find it. I'll show you guys. If you can look closely and see this short portion of hair, it literally stops like about here. That's because I cut my hair by mistake. It was literally a long string of hair, but oh well. Anyway, but yeah, maintenance day continues. Oh, I've got water in my eyes. So now I have my appointment. I just blow dried my hair, and yeah, washed and blow dried my hair. And I have my appointment at 11 a.m. So.
Let me tell you about this girl. Maybe I should. I met her in Philly.
Okay, let me show you guys my... Can you just guys see that this is not proportionate? This one, look at the big toe. And look at the difference. I just hate when I pay for a service and people don't do what I ask. Because just take a look. That's just a disgrace. Unacceptable. Guys, tell me why I went on Instagram to just see something. I saw that you needed a face mask for my lash appointment. And then I'm like, where the heck am I gonna get a face mask? Like, so I went to the store to Spire and I was like, okay, come, can I please get a face mask? He took a face mask from like the desk or something, and then I thought it was free because I didn't see them selling the face mask. Tell me why I'm walking out of the store and then he was like, the face mask is not free, and I'm like, huh? Oh, it's not free? How much is it? €1. €1 for this. Even 50 cents would have been reasonable. €1 for this. Don't piss me off. I thought he was joking. I was like, oh wow.
Almost made you love me, almost made you cry, almost made you happy, babe. Didn't I? You almost had me thinking you were turned around, but everybody knows, almost forgot, almost heard her saying you were finally free. What was always missing for you, babe? You found it in me. You can't get to heaven, hands on the ground. Everybody knows, almost forgot. Can't keep on loving one foot outside the door. I hear a beauty hesitation, that's never really sure. Can't keep on trying if you're looking for more than all that I could give you. And what you came here for, gonna find me some money, not afraid to let go. Wanna know how feet that come to me. You came real close, but every time you lift me up, you won't be let me down. Everybody knows, almost got almost out of town. Can't keep on, baby. Can't keep on trying. Everybody knows, almost out of town. I can't keep on, upside down. I hear a resolution, that's never really sure. Can't keep on, no, know that I can give you what you can't get for. Maybe you'll be something, maybe you'll be cold.
I have all my nails done. I absolutely love them. I love them. Like I said to you guys, rock the boat, change positions, Aaliyah, period. I'm saying I absolutely love my nails. Like this is the only equipment that the person actually ate with. She ate. What the heck? Ate with the. She ate. I'm so sorry.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Felicia. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? Yes. How old are you now? How old are you now?
Oh, mom, please. Like, you're doing too much now.
She's 20.
Like, period. Too hard to undo. Girl, I wanna undo you. Put my hands apart. You.
Hey.
Okay, guys. Thank you guys for the birthday.
You're welcome.